Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to private chat with your friends while you're inside a Roblox games, even if they are playing a different game. Okay, let's get started. First, just open any Roblox games that you want, and then once you're inside, just look at the top left corner of your screen and then tap the three lines icon, this one, and then just tap on party. And then in here you will see a list of your Roblox friends. Simply select the friends that you want to chat with, for example like this, and then after choosing your friend, just start messaging them privately like this. And yes, this feature works even if you and your friends are playing different Roblox games. It's very useful if you want to coordinate, invite them, or just talk without using the in-game public chat. And okay, that's it. Easy and super helpful. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.